In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not playing. So if your timeline will not move and nothing is playing back, follow along and we will go through a couple of quick checks together. First, make sure playback is not simply paused. At this point, look at the timeline viewer in DaVinci Resolve and see if the playhead is just sitting still on a frame. Press the spacebar once. You should see the playhead start moving across the timeline and the video in the viewer begin to change frame by frame. If you press the spacebar again, playback should stop and the playhead will hold on the current frame. Beginners sometimes tap the spacebar twice quickly without noticing, which starts and then instantly stops playback. From there, try using the J, K, and L keys on your keyboard. These are standard transport controls inside DaVinci Resolve, and they give you more direct feedback than the mouse. Tap L to play forward. When it is working, the playhead moves from left to right and the viewer shows your clip running in real time. Tapping L again will make it play faster, which is useful when you want to skim through footage quickly. Tap K to stop playback. The viewer freezes on the current frame and the playhead stops exactly where you released it, which is perfect when you want to make an edit on that frame. Tap J to play backward. You will see the playhead travel from right to left and the video run in reverse, which is handy for reviewing an edit you just passed. If none of these keys cause any movement at all, even though your clips are on the timeline, then the issue is likely deeper than a paused playback. Next up, restart DaVinci Resolve. Before you do anything else, save your project if possible. Look toward the top of the window and make sure you save so you do not lose recent edits, new cuts, or color changes you made. When Resolve is under heavy load, saving might take a moment, so wait until any progress indicator finishes. This way, all your current work is written to the project database and ready to come back exactly as you left it. After that, close DaVinci Resolve completely. Do not just minimize the window. Make sure the program actually shuts down so no project or playback processes are still running in the background. When it closes correctly, the Resolve window disappears and you are back on your desktop or your previous screen. A full close clears out any temporary glitches that might be blocking playback, including issues with the preview engine that a simple pause and play will not fix. With Resolve closed, reopen the program and then open your project again. Once the project loads and your timeline appears, try pressing the spacebar or the L key one more time. You should now see the playhead move and your video playback as expected, with audio meters bouncing if your clip has sound. In this video, you learned how to get DaVinci Resolve playing again by checking playback keys and restarting the software. So if that solved it for you, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Resolve fixes.